Saponaro Inc. is trusted by trial lawyers because we offer a step-by-step process in providing comprehensive case evaluations, detailed forensic reports, and expert witness referrals to assist in the preparation of affidavit or certificate of merits with an efficient and cost-effective approach. Attorneys, you begin by sending us medical records and a brief overview of the case, and we take it from there. The medical records are sent to a physician or healthcare professional in the specialty of concern, who reviews the case for merit or causation. We provide you with a forensic report that outlines the care in question and whether there are deviations from the accepted standards of care or damages related to negligence. If substandard care is determined, we refer you to the expert that holds the opinion contained in our forensic report, and the forensic report will assist you in the preparation of the affidavit or certificate of merit, which the reviewing expert is prepared to sign and notarize, as well as support their opinions through deposition and/or trial. This service streamlines the process of obtaining qualified opinions and meeting state requirements in filing a malpractice suit, with the assurance that a credible physician or healthcare professional stands behind the opinions set forth in our forensic report. With this straightforward approach, you will be extremely satisfied with how much time and money you will save by letting us manage your caseload. Let Saponaro Inc. assist you with your affidavit or certificate of merit. Call 800-327-3026 or visit saponaroinc.com for a complete listing of services.